Hello and welcome. I'm at Horton in Ribblesdale Church near Carlisle in the Yorkshire Dales, and this church now has 6 bells. It's not got 4 now, it's a ground floor 6 now. It's St Oswald's Church is this, so we're going to do this one now. I'm in the North Yorkshire Dales now, North Cumbria I think where I'm at. So we're going to do this one. Oh, it's a lovely scorching day for the bells to be ringing.
We need you, Stuart.
Oh dear, because I'm just recording these.
We've only got 6 left now. It's you. Have you done a recording of the bells?
No, not yet. He wants me to ring in a minute. Yeah. Sorry about that,
We're going to give you a few minutes round, so that's it. This is your only chance, because you'll have to ring next time.
Yeah.
There's only 7 of us and Diane's got to go. So
Right, okay.
So make sure you get in.
Yeah, it's starting now, so thank you. I've got to ring next time because someone's got to go to a meeting. Yeah, that's fine, I don't mind. It's only a little branch out, and it's not loads of ringers here, it's just only a few here this Saturday. Hey, got a nice set of bells in there. Nice ring of 6. I'm gonna have to ring in a minute, so I'm just gonna have to do this for a quick second and then I'll... Right.